What's up, my wonderful One Nation family? Speak My Mind Entertainment people, what's up? I want to take time out before I get into this video to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. All the wonderful and beautiful, respectable, understandable, and caring and loving mother out there. Whether you're being a mother to your personal child or you're being a mother to somebody who need motherly love. You understand? Big respect to you. And when I say big respect to all you know, the mothers out there who's respectable, the wonderful and caring and loving mothers. I'm not talking about the mothers who are carriers. Because them have it say man a donor, but a whole heap of woman out there are carrier. You understand? Yeah. Whole heap of woman out there are carrier. Just like how you have a whole heap of man out there who are donor. So just big up the wonderful mothers out there. Just continue to play the role of a mother, whether it's your biological child or you just play the mother of a child out there who need motherly love that can help keep that child along a right part, whether it's a female or a male. You understand? Because you don't know, them say all the female will do it, they go breed up and thing. Boy pitney out there, them go out them give a whole heap of problem. Man want come take your life because them go do all kind of different evil thing and mix up in all kind of criminal thing and we don't know what the thing go. So respect to all of the mother. We play a motherly role some way, somehow, and continue to play it. Anyway, as you know, you just like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Watch the ads. And please remember to go over to the backup channel and give it a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented channel. Okay? You get your cook vlogs, general reasoning, commentary, a little drama. Although sometimes the dramas can be rated PGs, because you don't know them little bar talk, corner talk and stuff. But when I'm posting those videos, although I said family oriented channel, I always put up rated PG, so you know that okay, yeah. And adventure to come. Anyway, my people, I have somebody we more touch a topic on. One is a regular and one we a fight in the drought, like when you have a field where you plant some seeds, as a farmer, and because lack of water, you can't see the seed them a bust up. Because you don't know the seed them have a bust for the plant come out. Well, this person is Sophia Dunkley. Sophia, I'm going to warn you. Behave yourself. I'm not going to tell you again. Behave yourself. You're fighting so hard on social media to either get a name, hold a space, or to build your channel or your platform. But your behavior, I think you would have learned from your mistake that you made, your recent mistake that you have made, that make you out of a job at this point. I think you would have learned. I come on a certain individual program and here they were playing a live with you, or a recording I should say with you, talking a lot of things like you have learned from the mistake. But as I said, it's just all about whatever you can come on social media, come talk for people to gravitate to. But you're still not, making that hook. Because guess what? You force it, Sophia Dunkley. You're forcing it. And because you force it, you're all over. You understand? Because after you make that speech I think the following day, you come out, come go against it. And let me tell you the problem with you now. You search so hard for your spot. You search so hard for some recognition that you not stop nowhere. You're there all over the place. You're coming like a roller coaster. And same as how you're there over the place, you're there yasso, you're there deso, you're in a this person business, that the person business, the least good thing somebody say you jump on it. The CMR case come up, you're there on it. PP, pluck. You know, come off, you're coming like a fowl upon egg a hatch. And because two other end they out there, she afraid to come on for her egg, them go look feed her whatsoever. Because she afraid the next end them out, they come sit down on the egg. And so you sit down on the people them. You understand? And let me tell you this. You don't have no form of articulating skills. You cannot bring across a message, a statement, and no dissect where you dissect or analyze any video at all. You're just a boring lad. And it all costs because you try force it. You understand? And me know you done so already because as people know me bring you to the forefront when I go show your house and sitting. So people know about you and come in a phone and go and let me know anything when them come and talk about St. Elizabeth, this and Ray and blah. A certain individual. You understand? So me know you done and you show it to the public now. Because it is evidence for most of your videos where you caption. You not spell right. Me see one where you want to spell man V and a M-A-M you right. Me see you want to spell pot. It pronounced pot. P-O-T, not pat. P-A-T. So you want to write P-O-T, pot, and you put pat. P-A-T. Me go back again and me see one sentence and me see you make for one another video. Me and scratch my egg about 5 times, Sophia. I'm scratch my chin and scratch. I try to see, you know, if I mean I read too fast or me just not read with no understanding. But the statement or the sentence where you try to make, it is like a missing person. All over social media, all over the news. Every time you come and you say you dissect, I see you have one where, because right now you're running the Lady V saga. That's how you easy just all over social media. And every time you come and dissect, same like how you over social media like a rolling calf and a roller coaster. A same way you carry out your message, same way you dissect the videos. People cannot understand what you say. You understand? People cannot understand what you say. And you just all over upon people name and people business, Sophia. Get back to your grassroots. Get back to what you know. Me see you do something one day, it's not bad. Go around and be a social media tour guide for England. Get up a daytime with a 1 or 2 times a day and go some different places in England and be a tour guide. Me give you an idea. A social media tour guide and use that and try build your platform. And leave the mix-up saga alone. You're not ready for it. It never make for you. You cannot articulate. You cannot put a sentence together. You can't make a proper statement. You understand? You come and you dissect and analyze or try to make a sentence or try to make a statement whichever way. And you're in and you're out and you're on and you're over. People can't understand what you're trying to get across. You understand? Yeah, man, just be a social media tour guide. People will never go to England yet to the like to see how England look. And some little things like how you go one day, you go show Buckingham Palace. Yeah, continue to do that. Probably people will gravitate to that. You understand? Yeah, people will gravitate to it. Me, I tell you. People like them type of a road scenery there. So you get up at a morning time or evening time and do a 1 or 2 vlog. And go jump on the bus or the train and go some different parts of England, you know, and do some road vlogs, man. and build a program, man, and build a platform. Leave the foolish alone. You me a warn you. You me a warn you. You hear me a warn you. Don't make me go back down in the bag. You hear me a warn you. Take my foolish advice. Don't make me go back in the bag. Okay, me go back in the bag. Me I go just talk and me I go done. But you know what gonna happen. Just like how the whole of them run with it, I saw them I go come and run with it. You understand? And the next thing with you going over P yard. And when you gone a P yard, yeah, big up P. Yet still you did at P couple days ago. And P a bunny out couple days ago. But through P and C fall out. You understand? And you and C in a present problem. You start swing with P just like what the rest of them I do. Don't make me go in the bag Sophia Dunkley. People not look in there. It's full of things. Remember from the first time I exposed the house, I tell her, so I whole it more me have to talk, and me not talk, not look in the people. The bag full. Don't make me go in the Sophia Dunkley. Alright? Take heed. Go and go be social media tour guide. Build a platform on that, man. Leave the people and mix up and carry go bring come and say hear somebody business bust out your running night. You live on CMR and Chrissy like what? No, you can't bring nothing. You don't have no evidence. You don't have nothing factual what you say. If you try to even work it out, you can't work it out because you can't articulate properly. So what you try to get across to your audience? Leave the people them alone. Leave the people in business alone. Alright. Not half a she now. People, I want to know. T-girl, what a benefit you? I want to know. I just really and truly want to know, T-girl. What a benefit you? You say you not stop call 99 name. And the more them come at you and your grandpitney and your pitney, you go call 99 name more. What benefit you? Because the more you call 99 name, the more she elevate. Watch me elevate. Them have to watch me elevate. Go listen to the popcorn them, man. You understand? So, people come in your comment, people come in your inbox, people come in your DM, and them a tell you things and a talk up the things and a cuss you. Why you can't reach out and cuss them back? Tell them about them parts or them family parts. Why it's about 99? And for this educated person, you come big and bold. You not stop call 99 name. So the more I come in my inbox and the more this and the more me I go call her name. Because automatically you are saying she are the reason why them in your inbox. But just like how you would have go on people page with your fake page and make your derogative statement and comments to make it look like okay you're a fan of 99 or you're a planker, and then that platform holder comes out against her. Think no? Think and say the same way other people are do it to you. But at the end of the day, you do it, them do it, he do it, she do it, me do it, they do it. It's still not 99. It still not have nothing to do with 99. It not make her slimmer. It not make her fatter. More than she just elevate to where she want elevate to reach. You understand? It not bring her down off her pumps and prides. It not take her off of the leather. So why wasting so much time? People, listen to you, girl. I want to tell you if this a woman is sick, bad. No doctor can help you at Jamaica. Stay foreign and seek help. But probably have to go in Asia or further in Europe. Because probably the American doctor them can diagnose your sickness.
dangerous, you know, man. She can't fight, you know, so here what her mouth is her weapon. Because she can't fight. You get me? She can't fight to save her life. So she have her mouth, which is her weapon, and the look idiot, them sit down and need so remember, you know, but not you know.
Let me just pause right there, so. 99 going like a shit up on top of the throne. Yes, she is. And whether or not she was not on top of her throne, people like you met 99 they're on top of the throne. Because there is so much actors, superstars, sports personnel, and movie stars live in and around America. I want to live on them names, so. You can drive go some parts of Hollywood, go view some of them rich celebrity house and talk about it. But no, when you choose to talk about the dunce 99, when you choose to talk about the illiterate 99, when you choose to talk about the scammer 99, when you choose to talk about 99 who you know, try to bring down people with our program and humiliate people, just as when we see the same Sophia Dunkley earlier on I talk about, I think of the same sentence she did try and make and can't spell and put the sentence properly about 99, why you continue to humiliate this little girl? But that's not how she put it. That is Trishana. You understand? When 99 I use a humiliate Trishana. Trishana get her help via phone just like everybody else. Just like how the whole on know that. So that's how it go. Right? Dana done with the whole of them, charity done. Anyway, she still have love for some of them. She can't do the charity full time because if I know her pocket, she gotta do something. Because she just cannot see people go by it like that. You understand? Trishana tell her blatant lie so she a clean the place. When she not doing so. And it's evidence. And if it's never for phone, and Dana did go up there silently and come and tell her, say, okay, not tell Uno, but talk it to the plankers and the supporters of 99 and say, Trishana lie no. Trishana tell me how much she clean the place and the place clean and me go up there. And me left my phone. Me not get for video. The place dirty, the place is a mess. And you looking at the kitchen and you look this and you look pan close this and close this. And that's a lie she a tell pan the little girl. Because if the evidence is there in the phone, I want to say she a humiliate. Just if she never have the phone, for sure the public said this is what Trishana said, because she said the place clean and tidy up. And the place was a mess for a young girl. Phone help her. Phone come back for help her, that Charmian, who is her so-called mother, yeah, that have done a lot for her during her place of bill. End up send come pay people for tidy up the place. If that never go up there with phone, who would have know? You would have see? If Trishana get your number and send come Sophia Dunkley, you can't find the first dollar to buy a plane ticket for come to Jamaica or if you stock out your fridge. Because then they sit down in your fridge supposed to outdated by now. Because from me know you in a phone, me I see the same set of sitting to them. And me know no different one them. Are the same set of sitting to them. You just buy them for decorate your fridge. Like how you know back in the days when you buy them chalk hearted figure reader, you got a river town, the bounty killer them used to sell. Yeah. And just decorate your fridge with them. And money you go find for send come get people to clean up Trishana place. And see her place clean up and clothes wash and everything and she have not to do nothing. Why do that? Phone. But you about the woman are humiliate. Back to you, Tina Chin. You understand? Oh, you know that I can't fight. This is what me I say. You know, come on so educated. And come on a platform and mislead people in a delusional self. Because most delusional, you delusional. Why you gonna say Dana can't fight? You never meet Dana in a day in your life yet. You never see Dana on no farmer video a fight and she get beat up yet. You never see Dana in a cascas on no video yet. So oh you know Dana can't fight that you could have able to come so bold on your platform, she can't fight. Wanna just see right now, my people. So these are the people where some people have a lead them and a mislead them.
No day no. Should I go say nothing for the regular day? Should I go say nothing to Man V no? But secretly, she don't like Man V. She don't like Man V. She does that. I don't know which leader that's in my inbox, you know. Secretly, she does not like Man V. She don't like her. Because Man V claims that she don't bow to her and blah, 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 blah. And she don't like that. Remember, 99 like when people bow to her. And she a God. And she like have one bag of people around her do 10 million things for her. So she not have to get up off her flat ass. She like the slavery, man. She like the slaving, the slaving. She like slave people.
Rich life, happy life, big life. Me no rich. Me a poor boy and I have nothing in a life. But this is how me stay. Me will sit down here and pay somebody for just do something for me. That's why I say if me rich in life, a lot of people have some simple job where you don't expect it to be a job. If me have money like that, because me I go create job for people. You understand? I want my wall wash off. I can't easily take my garden nose and wash it off. But I say, come here. So instead of that person go up the road go beg $1, him get something to do. And if him do it good to me liking, him have a permanent hustling, a permanent job. You understand? What you call slavery? Everybody where you see that done a place a work, them a work. Work. And them not work where them a get below minimum wage. Them not work where she a take advantage of them. There's a lot of benefit them get. Whether personally from she or from the plankers. You notice that somebody name start called Fresh. Johnny. People want to send money come. Simple. And that on the hate and grudge about. You understand? You have to talk about the woman as slavery. Which part of slavery coming at that? Slavery are when people hold you and chain you up and beat you and force you to do things.
You don't pay attention. Alright. Yeah, man.
Before I go even in a further the video, here this is how these people stay on a phone. And then they make it look like they want peace, love and harmony. But them don't want no peace, love and harmony. These are the things where them talk about. These are the things they strive after. These are the things where them come and cuss people, say people want views and people want this, that's why them do this and do that and that. When behind the dark screen is the same thing them a do. Because she a go say, that don't really like Lady V. I don't know when them a call Lady V of late. Man V, I don't know for a long time nickname or what, but I don't know. But me I say Lady V. Me not go on no pointers for call her what uno call her. That don't really like Lady V. Because it seems like the little, talk with Lady V talk up. I don't really hear for myself, but based on what she has said, then I must come out and I say, boy, she, like it, I say, boy, I lose her for you. I not expect you to come give them no knowings like that or deal, behave like that. Whatsoever way go, I don't really know. But based on what she has said, then I like have something, say something towards it pan her life. She got terms to her way and said, Dana chose shades. And see it there. Dana really like her, Yeah, man, Dana like her. Why I know you gonna come out come say all of this? Because Lady V come last week or since week. Meet Dana for the first time. Come back, come talk up all the nice good things about Dana. Not a pimples no in the face. Warm, welcome individual. Nice, clean, dark skin. So, that it your nerves. You understand? So you want to blow one simple something out of proportion now. So you want to send one little shock wave through Lady V head and say, you know what the girl Tina China say true? Yeah. So Lady V start think different now and then come out and probably come say something and do some shading and then the whole on now run with it. See there? I she meet Dana 1 week ago and say Dana this and say Dana that and say Dana come out come talk say our behavior is rotten or our behavior is stink or our behavior is that and she come back out and a shade Dana and that I want to see. I want to see the hug, the love, the warmness. I want to see that. So you gotta come now to try to break that. Why you never say all of this before this week when Lady V come and meet Dana? But you don't want to see that warm welcome there. You don't want to see that reception there. You despise the reception there because you will never get it because no care Dana forgiving. Me know too. I don't think she will forgive you. Despite many did say boy she wouldn't, them not think should have forgive Dashanti. But probably circumstances why she end up give Dashanti a forgiveness and say, but I could have forgot bygone be bygone. But I doubt you, T-Girl and Larry the Lizard will ever end up to get that forgiveness.
You dirty person in my inbox. Yes, you dirty person. You know I'm a mouth full of water, so it no stink. I saw you know say mouth no stink when mouth full of water. When mouth full of water and look nice, it mean it no stink.
If I so be the case, because you ever say when mouth full of water, that simply mean when your mouth wet, you can't see saliva, and your mouth not dry and look way, yeah. But Tina, remember, you know, if I so be the case, and I saw your mouth going, you know, because you're one supposed to think, you know, because you have one big decayed teeth in your mouth, you know, and those things are bacteria, and a cure your brush that are bacteria that, so that I will ever make your mouth smell funny. You get what me I say to you? So don't come do that. Don't do that, but your mouth no stink.
Yes, when mouth dry, it stink. When mouth dry and pasty, it stink.
No, not only that alone. When you have them big decayed teeth in your head, if you're a woman you spend how much money I do it with the doctor to do your body, you should take more pride in your teeth, your mouth. Your mouth is something where you should take more pride in because you love chat and you want to smile, you want to go on like it's Miss Upton. And you want up in people business and people face. So your mouth are always open. So them big decayed teeth there. Me know the day when you smile and show this a big rotten teeth in your head, you know. You're supposed to sorry, you know. Big time you're supposed to sorry to you, girl. And your teeth you should look after before you look after your body.
Okay? Some stinking bread people that tell me. I'm a love talk up in front of people.
Enough people me know have stinking breath. But what me do? Me not tell them because me don't want to embarrass them. So probably who you there around really want to embarrass you. Or say go on like you Miss Upton. Them don't really want to embarrass you because them probably be a fan of you and them don't want to embarrass you. Just like how me say enough people. You understand? But what me do? Me try to stay far from them. You understand? And me can tell you this. Most time I uno thinking breath, thinking mouth people love come up in a people face and come chat. Hold on and shoulder up in her face here so a chat. Uno thinking more people love do that. Yeah man, the percentage I wanna love talk up in people face and no more think. Cause it's like you don't want to prove to yourself say no my mouth no think. We don't know no more think and smell like thunder.
And then chat about her 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. They're gonna chat about her, yes. They're gonna chat her any day because the whole of her criminal and her cook and her scammer and her thief and her general. Move from your song where all concubine, you know. Set a concubine on the internet and run up and down and look for I look likes and I look validation and I look love. Go and come bite me.
Yes sir, may I tell you? The same thing they are criticizing people for. That them I do. Cause what she could have look at you know, with all I want to hear she has some people, then I can't fight how she know that. Now like she a look. You understand? She come, then I know like Lady V and a long time she know that. Oh you know that. What proof you have, what evidence you have. But it's still on the other hand at the same thing you say. You so say, boy, wait. Jesus Christ.
Pants more money. The pan smoke money they were for buy the little girl the oxygen tank. You so hear some set a story about that now. Because that's what the whole of them doing up. Them collect money, then come with a set of story, some drama for distract people. Some set of stories so come up now.
People, as I tell them every day, money is their main issue for their grudge, them jealous, them hate, them bad mind. Them say them on the word that we know, you know. Yeah, but these are the only words that wanna come up in a phone, come show on yourself. Grudge, bad mind. Because everything wanna come and talk, you know, it always have to do with money. What a way you done in a pants mouth, Chris? Because Chris, you must say, cause right, business. How much money for whatsoever oxygen tank for little gallon, way. What a way you done in a the man business. You despise people so much. I want to done in them every day. So if you not done in them for views, I want to done in them for. Because that's the reason why I want to done in them. You know, watch them page in and out as the phone goes so bing on the front of the line. If them go sit down and draw chair and go so pooh. Alright, pound. Because what? You don't go for the views because you don't come for carry back what you want, carry back terms you don't want, terms. Dissect, you so dissect this in a phone way, not to the public, the same public who not showing up, but what? You want to blindfold on the supporters. So them afraid to come in on the comment and go so bang. No man, I know that it mean. Me depend on the life to me see it. Because them no want a black, them no want no cement, them no want no steel. So them have to just sit down and take one or give to them, or when them know so it go.
So them do things when them need money. Them create drama around the charity. Around the so-called goodwill. I shouldn't even call it charity, I should call it goodwill.
But then to my understanding, you know, there's a lot of privilege you did have in a girl. We're collecting people money for charity also, you know. You understand? The people them asking you from what they wear is Sharika money. And one next money me the people them are ball out. Where them the money there? So you did have the privilege, but you were too greedy. You understand? And I take the people them when need the money because you're greedy. So you lost that opportunity. So you're jealous of a people now in that field there where you can see I get money. And I get money on top of money and I get hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars where you can't get because of you lay your bed wrong. And you spread dirty sheet in your bed. And you go lie down on the dirty sheet and get tormented. And mash up the opportunity where you have and then come and criticize people for things where you did that do. But do it the wrong way, so you figure more or less say everybody do it the same way like you.
Them create some confusion around the goodwill. And my money still, but it's out there in the public so I can talk about it. It's not.
That's why you must talk, because you don't have a cent or a zinc in there because you can't afford to get none. Because if you do thing for get any, God bless if you can't give $1 $10, because if you can't buy a food, we value $40 for you and your picnic where you carry out for dinner. And ball on the people them price at $25. $20 you go as a matter of fact. And the man said, no, the best she can do for you is $25. I only can do the best for you for $25. And this is what you're going to get, you know. Oh, I'm getting corn. Oh, I'm getting potato salad. Yeah. You understand? Big hot girl like you carry out your son for dinner. $40. One plate of food I go share for the two of you. And you cut the meal in a in a half price. So all that I go share for you and your son. And you're in a car pan live and mag oh you're taking what you want to eat. And I don't want no regular food. I want some Jamaican food. I want Jamaican food. Okay, I'm gonna take you to a restaurant. I'll buy some food sometime the other day. Yeah. I don't want no regular I want Jamaican food. And when you're caring for go buy the food, one food, you're going to your intention to buy the food value 40 and you cut it to 20 half price. The woman have to tell you say no, the most she can do for you is $25. And the food still short of some way you're supposed to get because the woman couldn't get $40 food for $25.
But that I know, but you didn't know that I know them. But either way, that school's not the place for them type of things. You don't go to those events and talk about, you don't do that. Worst man, I know you. You don't do those things, man. You're grown. You need to know better than that. Don't do that. You know? You're too out of order.
Alright. This woman must go on function where she provide cupcakes. The woman that function, somebody she must know eat the cupcake. So the woman start talk, say a planka, she say. And her auntie Dana to the world. She must then nearby her ear. So it she talk about, she take on the woman. The woman never tell the woman where eat your cake, so we stop eat your cake. She just say, Auntie Dana, she say to the world. You understand? Then now, you take that now and you come from your life and want to chastise Dana. Dana never done a function. Chastise the supporter. But you make it look like everything what the people them do, and Dana tell them to do it. So when you come, for people come in and people come say with them and say, I want to send them. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Remember to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and give it a subscription if you have not yet done so. Happy Mother's Day to all you wonderful and beautiful mothers out there. You understand, whether it's your biological child who can't have any child and you still play a mother role in someone's life, kudos to you. Thumbs up. Burn out all of the carrier them. We left them pitney like all one left one in a one bag of vineyard town pan wall. You understand? What show them in a rubbish pan. What give them way for adoption for no reason at all. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.